To start off, I'll be measuring my guide. Right here, I used the paper sheet I told you guys about. It comes like in a big roll. I just cut it up and I traced over my M and my heart, which I made myself. I measured it according to how big I wanted it on the wood. Right here, I'm using that sheet I told you guys about. It's kind of like tissue paper, but a bit, a little bit thicker. So when I traced over my M's and my heart, it did not tear or anything. And I'm trying to leave about 2 centimeters from the side margins and about 2.5 inches from the length. Here I will be nailing down the 4 corners and a little bit in between, just so that my sheet will not be moving out of place. Here I am starting to nail in between, and you will see that I leave about a centimeter distance from the previous nail, and that's pretty much how I go through all my nailing. Once I'm done, I tear out the sheet like so, and you will see how easily it comes off. If you were to use a thicker piece of paper, it might bring the nails up. To get started with the embroidery string art, we will start by just double knotting around the first initial nail just to make sure it's secure. For my M's, I really had no pattern in mind. I was just winging it as I went, so it was more random than a pattern. And I started by going in very different directions. As you guys can see, I started from the top and I went all the way down to the bottom, and that's kind of how I figured I would start from the bottom and then work my way up. Okay, to outline my letter M, I started by using a new set of embroidery string, and I started by wrapping 2 nails at a time and overlapping the previous set, and that's how I went around. to start with my heart, I already did a knot in the bottom, and I started at the tip, and right here I am going to be doing the contrast nail to the other, and that way it will create a cool effect in the middle. As you can see, I am going opposites as if it was a circle kind of way, and you will see how beautiful it will look like in the middle right now. Right here you guys see how my sister points out that I missed a nail, and that is okay. If you missed a nail, that's fine. When you get to its turn, just go over it twice and it will look seamless. Okay, right here I am pretty much done with my heart. I will not be outlining this one, however. I think it looks much cooler without the outline. Now to do the letter M, it's the same guide as the first one, just winging it, going random, and that's pretty much it. Right here I am almost done. As you guys can see, I did not record the outline, but it is the same as the first one. So thank you all for watching, and until next time.